Let's unbox and try this new set of Camel brush pens in 24 shades. So the pens look amazing. The look has definitely improved compared to the earlier set of Camlin brush pens. They look like professional markers. I'll try these pens on Canson XL marker paper. The body of the pens is thinner than the earlier brush pens from Camlin, so they are easier to hold, and also the nib size is smaller compared to the earlier pens, so that's also a definite plus because already the nib is very flexible, so being slightly smaller it is a bit easier to control this nib. As the nib is highly flexible, so I do not recommend these brush pens for someone who is a complete beginner because it becomes a bit difficult to control the upstrokes and maintain upstrokes of uniform size. But that being said, if you already have some experience in calligraphy, then these are a must try because the colors are highly juicy and vibrant. They are also very useful to write at a bigger size. Colors are water based, so they are easily blendable, and they can also be easily used to create beautiful watercolor backgrounds for your calligraphy work. And they are also highly affordable, as this set of 24 pens is for just rupees 400. So these pens would be a great addition to your calligraphy pens collection.